What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're back with a Python program, and in today's video we have a very special task and a most famous task. It's very important for the technical interviews and it is frequently asked in the technical interviews. So what's the question? It's the write a code to check is an entered word is a palindrome or not. So let me explain you what is a palindrome. So palindrome is a word that if we reverse that word, then it gives the same word. Like if I say like noon, N-O-O-N, noon. Like if I write here N-O-O-N, noon. So if I reverse this, then it will be the same word. It will remain the same word, right? So this word is called the palindrome, right? So we have to write the code for this type of words. So let's see. First of all, what we have to do is we have to take the input from the user. So we have taken the input from the user. Now what we have to do, we have to check whether this word is palindrome or not. So I'm putting a condition that if the original word is equals to, if I reverse this word like this. Now what I have done this here is slicing the string, right? So in the first case, it's the initial point, the second is the final point, and the third one is used whether we have to skip a part or start from the negative side. So I'm just writing here -1 so that it will gonna start from the very last. It will gonna check from the very last, and then if it's the same thing, then it will gonna say yes, it's a palindrome. Else if it's not, then it says not a palindrome, like this. So it's a very simple program, and let's just run this. Now if I'm just writing this like any other spoon, so it says like it's not a palindrome. But if I say noon, N-O-O-N, noon, then it says yes, it's a palindrome, right? So this program works in this way. I hope you understand this. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.